I think that looks pretty good. I don't hear no rub. I hear them rotors gripping though. I hear them brake pads gripping that rotor. But that's about it.
I could've quit, but I did it. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Whoa, from racks to the riches. My base is still hitting, been hoping and wishing. These boys politicking, my pockets can't kick it, but still about my business. Yeah, I'm still with the fitness, my perfect attendance. The reason I'm in it, been needing them digits, been feeding the vision, can't stop at the finish. I'm cracking the whip, look at the flick of the wrist. Watch how I fucking your bitch, I hop out the crib. Bet you they like how I live, bet you they loving the kid. I fuck it and dip, know that I'm never gon' slip. Keeping my hand on the grip, been running this shit. As long as I stick to the script, one day I'll be making it hit. Wow, see how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I did it. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Yeah. See, I've been going through phases, yeah. How your boys liking me lately, yeah. I'm at the crib with your lady, yeah. Yes, I just got off vacation, yeah. Wish I didn't let these boys make it, nah. Wish I didn't let these boys make it, nah.
Oh man, see y'all made it over here. Fast Life Garage with my boy Jamie, a friend of a friend, and we're gonna see what we can build. So, oh, I didn't think to mention that. Got the distributor, intake, water pump, carburetor. What's up, man?
What's up here a little while ago, wasn't you?
Yeah, not too long ago. Man. You got an Instagram or anything?
Nah, I ain't on social media.
Yeah.
Should do that, and then
Well, go ahead and get that done. See, that's why I had to bring in the experts. I'm glad I got them bolts and everything. Man, watch the expert work, man.
I ain't no expert, man.
Yeah, this is my first time ever doing something like this. And I went to the extremes.
Oh, hey man, it's awesome. It's pretty simple. It's a little harder when it's on the car, so it's something like this. So speed quick.
I didn't know they was gonna require all that to rebuild the brakes. I went through hell. And now they can see a little bit
just put a
better.
rag down so I don't scuff up the new paint job on
Well, you know, a lot of that powder they didn't do it right. So, but the concept is there. You get the idea what I'm going for, you know.
Brakes, I mean, as long as I see the hot pink stuff, it'll look awesome.
It's all about the details, man, you know. If I wasn't like just saying, hey, go ahead and move forward and get the car running. Because I just want to layer on so many details where it's like, hey man, this dude put a lot of thought into it.
What kind of car is it?
It's an 86 Monte Carlo SS.
Oh damn.
T-top.
Nice.
Yeah, man. That's what this motor going in.
Yeah, I seen Jamie working on it and stuff and having it. I never knew what he was doing.
Yeah, he took it apart a while back, but you know, it's been a process. A lot happened in the month of May and just the summer in general in my life. I ain't gonna keep on beating on that, but the summer almost over with, and I'm trying to turn a new leaf. And nothing gonna make me feel better than riding around in my old school.
That'd be dope, man. I
You know what I
can't wait to
mean?
see that thing up and running.
I've been having it for a very long time. Cause you know, you always feel like you need more. And then it's like, are you enjoying what you have? Are you being appreciative of what you have?
Dude, I am beyond grateful for what I got, man. God has done some crazy stuff in my life. I mean, I got a hanger out here.
Yeah.
I got me a good grill, good job.
Yes.
There you go. Now it's compressed. Take them off and you're chilling. So since there was no fluid in it, nothing came out, which is good.
Now it's gonna go on there a lot better, huh?
Going there all the way. That's all the way compressed now.
See, and you separated this, man. Because we was having a hard time getting those clips in there. You had to grind a lot of powder out of it. They didn't plug none of the holes. I had to grind that down. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why it's already chipped in a lot of places. It's all good though. I just knew powder coat was gonna last, and I think everybody does red.
Yeah.
I
People
think
like paint them and stuff, and I'm like, it's cool, but like.
I think red has just been overdone too many times. All right, man. So y'all get the idea what it takes.
Make them shine again.
Because I've been doing a lot of grease work around them. I probably done dropped them a couple times and everything else, man. I ain't gonna say probably. I know. The other day, the whole thing just fell off the caliper. Off the boats. There's only had one in there. I was like, man.
They don't look bad if they've been dropping nothing.
Man, rookie mistake. You definitely can see the pink flakes where it hit the ground.
Yeah. Hey, but I mean, you get fingernail polish in there, every don't tell.
Man, I'm working, man. I'm learning as I go.
Yeah, aren't we all, man?
Man, you made that look easy, man.
I've done like 100 on them.
Yeah. Look at that. Boom.
There you go. And then look, I'm all the way flush with it. Let the whole caliper will go in there just like that.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Done.
Yep, so they slid on there just like how he told me they would. I'm not, I haven't hooked up the brake lines yet. And, man, it's starting to look like something now. So, man. You hear a little bit of a rub. I wasn't even supposed to came over here today. Not early this morning, but I went ahead, I threw that brake on there. Throw the battery charger on there. Let's see if it stays charging though real quick before I get up out of here and go to the barber shop. Oh. All right, so that one's charging. I'm not gonna mess with none of the doors or nothing. I hadn't been running this truck like 2 weeks, so it might be letting me know that something might be draining the battery, or I don't know. Hell, I'm gonna plug up everything I know I can plug up on this thing, and I'm just gonna let it discharge and do its thing. I ain't gonna mess with nothing on it. But I know I got the brakes on it the right way now because all my bleeder bolts is on the top. And yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. That's why I was telling them, y'all can see the pink chips right there. But I was looking at those journals to see if those bolts is gonna work. I do have that brake kit in the car. I'll probably go to Summit in the morning, get those brake lines or something. My boy just sent me the gasket kit that's gonna be needed for the motor. But I know I need to add grease fittings. But to me, this doesn't look right to me without a shim. Or I'm thinking like maybe I might need to adjust this a little bit more or something. I don't know. I wanted to go smaller bolts on it, but I'm gonna let that be. We ain't gonna mess with that today. Cause we can keep on messing with the upper control arms. We can keep on messing with the lower control arms. We can keep on messing with everything on here. Or we could just go ahead and mock everything up, hand tighten everything, and move forward. Because JSP will be here this weekend if all goes good to do the tune-up on my Banshee, aka Slimer. I haven't fired that thing up in probably like 3 weeks, honestly. I should fire it up, but I may just do it maybe later tonight when I come back. It's just so hard to fire it up and not drive it, you know. Every time I crank this thing up, it say ride me hard. You know what I mean? Shift the hell out of me, you know what I mean? Like, this is a very fun toy, very, very fun. Can't never, you know, say how fun this is, but this car was a lot of fun as well. It's just now I want a lot more pep in it than I had last time. And I'm probably just gonna run those chrome wheels on there again. I damn near want to just put the wheels on there real quick just to see what it look like, man. So let me do that and throw them on there real quick just to see what it looks like. And Yeah, man, I'm excited now that I see that. Let me do that real quick.
As long as I stick to the script, one day I'll be making it hit. Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash out a check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Gotta like wow.
I think that looks pretty good. I don't hear no rub. I hear them rotors gripping though. I hear them brake pads gripping that rotor. But that's about it. That looks good. What y'all think? I don't know, man. This SS coming together. I don't know what we're gonna do in the back. I mean, right now I could do drums. Get that drum powder coated to match the pink. Just to do something temporarily until I decide on how I'm gonna do my disc conversion. But that's something for a lot further down the line. But yes, sir, that looks good, man. Yeah, that looks good. I think that looks pretty good. I don't hear no rub. I hear them rotors gripping though. I hear them brake pads gripping that rotor. But that's about it. That looks good. What y'all think? I don't know, man. This SS coming together. I don't know what we're gonna do in the back. I mean, right now I could do drums. Get that drum powder coated to match the pink. Just to do something temporarily until I decide on how I'm gonna do my disc conversion. But that's something for a lot further down the line. But yes, sir, that looks good, man. Yeah, that looks good.
Be making it hit. Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing.